Somebody's asleep. Who's a sleepy baby? Do you want me to let you sleep, or do you want to come out of your cage? Are you a sleepy bird? Hi, little sleepy. Are you having a little snooze? Liberty. What's the matter? Good Lord, what's the matter? What's the matter, baby? Are you okay? Why are you trembling? Are you all right? You want to step up? What's the matter with Liberty? It's all right, baby. What's the matter with my little one? My poor baby. Liberty, are you okay? You going to step up? Something happened that I don't know about. Something scared my baby? Baby boo. Liberty, can you step up so I can see if you're all right? Can you step up for me? Liberty, my Liberty, my Liberty. Where's my pretty bird? I want my baby. I want my Liberty baby. What's the matter? What's the matter with Liberty? Are you okay? Come here, sweetheart. It's all right. I'm not going to force you, but I need to hold you. Come on, you're scaring me. Baby. What's the matter? Liberty.